Step on it. Speeding up with English phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into an exciting English phrase, step on it. This phrase is fun, catchy, and used quite commonly. So let's get started. Step on it is an informal idiom that dates back to the early 20th century. Originally, this phrase was related to driving cars. When drivers wanted to go faster, they would push down harder on the gas pedal. Imagine the action of stepping on the pedal, hence the term. In contemporary English, step on it basically means hurry up or go faster. It can be used in various contexts, not just while driving. For instance, if you're late for a movie and your friend is taking their time, you might playfully say, "Come on, step on it," to urge them to move quicker. To understand it better, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. We're going to be late for the concert. Step on it. 2. If we don't step on it, we'll miss the last train. 3. The project deadline is tomorrow. We really need to step on it. Each of these examples emphasizes the need for speed or urgency in different scenarios. English is a rich language, and there are other phrases that convey the same sense of urgency. Here are a few. Hurry up. Make it snappy. Move it. All these phrases are ways of asking someone to be quicker in what they're doing. And there we have it. Next time you need someone to pick up the pace, you can confidently tell them to step on it. We hope this lesson has made this English phrase clearer for you. Remember, language is all about fun and expression, so don't be shy to use it. Until next time, happy learning!